Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A pretty cool text effect that is pixelized kind of a way. And it looks pretty good. And if I did this black on purpose, if you notice, you can see some black lines because I did them different. And we're going to do them differently so you won't see those lines in case you print it. I am going to start with a 1 inch by 1 inch square. And then I'm going to just kind of draw some lines in it. I mean, there's probably 15 different ways you could do this, but I'm just going to make some segments. And you might want to try, different. See, I'm going from the midpoint to the midpoint. Now, I find it easier when you're smart filling is just to fill them all in with the smart fill tool, and that's making new objects. So now we can take the blue and go over here and go, different blues. And I'm going to try to pick brighter colors this time. See if it'll help. I don't know how, if it's repetitive, how much you have to worry about that, but I'm going to call that good. Now I'm going to grab right here. I'm going to go in left or right click, no outline. And I'm going to go to object and group it together. Now at one point I've got to convert it to a bitmap, but I don't have to do it right this second. So now I'm going to grab it and go to effects and go down to distort and go to pixelate and then up this all the way. Well, maybe not all the way, but you can see the different squares that you're making. And if somebody knows more about this than I do, please chime in. I'd like to be able to, why these have to be connected. Why can you not do one or the other? And so I'm going to call that good. Now, so we've got a 1 inch deal. I'm going to nudge it 0.98 because in this case, it doesn't matter if it overlaps. Now I'm going to take that and mirror it. And then I'll take these two and I'll hit the plus key and I'll hit my arrow key twice. See, this way there's no line between there. And I'm going to do twice again. Now I'm going to hit the plus key and go down. And if I didn't do this, the lines would be kind of showing up. And that's probably really all I need if we look at our text. Yep. Because you can keep making them bigger and bigger. Now, the only way to make this work is go ahead and group it. And I don't like doing it, but you've got to convert it for a bitmap to work, and we'll convert it to RGB because my colors are RGB. But as soon as I did this, it kind of dulls the colors just a little bit. So there's probably, you could probably draw this without pixelizing it, but this is pretty quick and simple. And then you can kind of see what you want to do. And, I like that yellow on that E. And okay, it's got to be in the front of the page. So we're going to go to object order front of page. Now select it both and go right here to intersect. And look at that. That might be the best one I've made yet. It really looks pixelized. And it's kind of plaid and sporadic. And anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.